Dr. Oz's pink gelatin trick, a recipe that supposedly makes you lose weight fast. What are the ingredients? Does it actually work? Is it real or just a lie? That's exactly what I'm about to break down for you in the next minute. I ran into this video on Facebook. You might have seen it on TikTok, YouTube, wherever. In it, Dr. Oz says there's a recipe that lets any woman lose weight quickly and easily. Ingredients from your own kitchen, totally harmless, more effective than meds. And earlier, he allegedly shared this only with celebrities for $2,000, but now he's ready to tell everyone. I watched that video more than once, closely, and honestly, the recipe never actually shows up. Instead, at the end it says, go to the link and the recipe will be on the next page. Right, let's click. We land on a site that pretends to be the Today Show, but look at the URL. It's not today.com. It's some random website. Big red flag already. Loud headline. Dr. Oz reveals his gelatin recipe to lose 15 pounds before February ends. Okay, what's in the video? It starts talking about Kelly Clarkson supposedly using this recipe and dropping weight fast. Simple recipe, simple ingredients, every celebrity uses it, super effective. Anyone else see that? I watched this thing to the end. It's just a parade of celebrities and a bunch of supposed scientific tests. Everyone's thrilled. Everyone's sharing their amazing results. And like you, I kept waiting. Where's the actual recipe? While it's playing, I check the rest of the page. There are logos from big news outlets stuck under the video, but there are no links. So that's not proof. That's there to trick us into thinking real news sites recommend this. What else? Comments. People thanking them, praising the recipe, but you can't open any profiles, can't like anything, nothing, looks fake, just more theater. The video itself is super long. See that progress bar? It moves fast at first, then slower and slower the longer you watch. Classic time stretch trick. In reality, it runs about an hour, and after all that, the Dr. Oz pink gelatin recipe still never appears. The whole thing looks cobbled together from short clips of the Dr. Oz show with new voices dubbed over. In other words, a deep fake. Come on. When I finally get to the end, there's still no recipe. Instead, a button pops up. Access to the pink program. The video even says all the answers are inside this pink program. Yeah, sure. I click it. Boom, a completely different site. Now it's Program Gelatin Pink for $39, and it's a checkout page asking for your credit card, so they're selling some digital file that supposedly contains the recipe. Remember how the ad promised the recipe for free with all the ingredients? In the end, you're told to pay, and there's zero detail about what's actually inside. You can't even preview a single page. That's very suspicious. Next question, is this payment page even safe? If you enter your card here, it could be misused. I checked reviews of the payment company on Trustpilot, Global MondPay, and the rating is very low, 1.6. Almost all reviews are 1 star. People complain they were misled, charged extra, and didn't get what they paid for. So if you type your card info in here, you risk getting charged and not receiving that program at all. Gotcha. Another point. This video leans hard on celebrities, Kelly Clarkson, Dr. Oz, and others, but they've repeatedly warned that scammers use their names and faces in weight loss ads and fake videos. You can find those warnings yourself. They're public, including on TikTok. Seriously. So here's the conclusion. This whole Dr. Oz pink gelatin trick doesn't exist. That video is a deep fake, a straight up scam built to grab your card details and take your money. Thanks for watching, take care, and don't fall for this stuff. When you see ads like this, just scroll past.